Located on Big Thicket Lake Estates, Cleveland, Texas, you can own this 0.22-acre lot for as little as $200 down. This beautiful property is the perfect spot for a manufactured home, mobile home, or RV. Just minutes from the Trinity River and Lake Livingston, you can enjoy fishing, swimming, and rafting. Electricity and water are available in the area, but will require installation. A septic system is also required. There are no POA fees and the property taxes are $11 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Liberty County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.